The pressure cooker is a modern kitchen appliance that can cook almost any type of food in no time. As a result, it also saves a lot of fuel. In addition to this, the nutritional constituents of the food are not destroyed. Do you know how the pressure cooker helps in fast cooking? We know that every liquid boils at a definite temperature at the normal atmospheric pressure. This temperature is called the boiling point of the liquid. In the case of water, it is 100 degrees Celsius. It is observed from scientific experiments that with the increase of pressure, the boiling point of the liquid also increases. Similarly, reduction in the pressure lowers its boiling point. As we go up to the mountains, the pressure decreases, due to which the water starts boiling below 100 degrees Celsius. That is why cooking of pulses, rice etc. takes much longer time on mountains. It is this property which gave birth to pressure cooker. The pressure cooker is essentially a vessel of stainless steel or aluminium alloy. It has a lid fitted with a safety valve at its top to prevent the internal pressure becoming greater than the vessel can bear. A rubber ring is fixed at the junction of the vessel which does not allow the steam to leak out. A heat-proof handle is attached to the pressure cooker for handling it. The food to be cooked is put in the vessel along with some water and the lid is closed. When the vessel is heated, water vapor increases the pressure inside the vessel. As the pressure increases, the boiling point of water also increases and it reaches up to 130 degrees Celsius instead of 100 degrees C. This is why food gets cooked quickly inside the pressure cooker. When the pressure inside the cooker increases beyond the required pressure, the control valve is automatically lifted up, allowing the excess vapor to escape. Thus, the pressure inside is regulated and there is no risk of pressure cookers bursting. It is a very useful domestic appliance for the housewives and others. However, it is essential to take some precautions while using it. If there is no hissing or whistling after the cooker has been kept on the oven for some time, the valve should be slightly shaken to see if the hole below is not choked. One should be extra cautious while opening the cooker. The valve should be slightly lifted up with the help of tongs before opening the lid to allow the steam to escape.